Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add effects to text in DaVinci Resolve. First open effects panel, then go to titles. From here drag and drop this text plus effect onto your timeline like this. Don't use this normal text effect, use this one which is text plus. After that select the text layer, open inspector and type the content you want to add here. After that, to add any of the effect we need to go to effects panel again. Then go to effects category. From here you can drag and drop any of the effect from here to your text layer. So let's say I want to add blur effect. For that just drag and drop this blur effect onto your text like this. Then your text will be blurred. And to change the settings for this blur, select your text layer, open inspector, then under effects you should be able to change the strength, center, width and height according to your effect. And to delete any of the effect, just select this trash can icon and the effect will be deleted. Now this time I want to add this comic book effect. For that just drag and drop it onto your text layer, then the comic effect will be added. And to change the size of the text, just go to inspector and from here you can change the image scale. To change the size of the text, go to video and from here you should be able to change the size of your text like so. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe.